Hello, welcome back to a new video here. We're gonna do the quotient rule. This is uh, this is the quotient rule. This is when you derive, but this is when you divide and find the derivative. The quotient, basically, quotient is just division. Remember, it's the same thing. It's applicable the same thing as deriving, or deriving by using the product rule. We cannot just divide the functions and that's it, because it will be invalid. Uh, if you want a better understanding of why, that's going to be just leave a comment comments below so I can go over it. And here we're going to have a function equal to y equals 4x and x plus 1. So we're going to find the derivative now. For this, we're going to use this function, this formula, basically, this rule. So we're going to get the denominator, move it to the front, x plus 1. It's basically the product rule. The front besides the negative. The only thing that's changing is the denominator and the conjugate in the middle. I think I used the wrong terminology. Oh my gosh. I did use the wrong terminology. And 4x. Remember, and we're gonna do the derivative for this one. Minus f of x, well, 4x times g of x. In this instance, it's going to be x plus 1. And we're going to just divide it all by the denominator, which is x plus 1 to the power of 2. We're going to derive this, leave this one as the second function. And we're going to multiply, which is 4. Then subtract this, 4x. I noticed I did this wrong. I did the parentheses. But yes, it's still the same thing. And the derivative of this function here is going to be 1, because the derivative of x is just 1. So it's getting multiplied by 1. Just think of it. And x squared, we can expand it a little bit as it's to your liking. If it's a multiple choice question and they're asking you for the whole derivative simplified, yes, expand it. I'm gonna do both ways. Okay, square, same thing. I'm gonna simplify even further. So minus 4x, which can be further simplified. First, let me distribute. Plus 2x plus 1. Okay, this can be simplified even further. These two equal to 0, which is left with 4 over x squared plus 2 plus 1, which is the same thing as saying x equals x divided by x plus 1 squared. Okay, And we're going to be here, going to go into the next one. The last one, in fact, f of x is equal to negative x squared plus 4x. We just move the denominator to the front. Remember, we're looking for f prime, the derivative of these quotients. X squared plus 4x times 2 prime minus, yes, minus. I was thinking, I thought I did it wrong, but yes, I was right, the previous question. Uh, Actually, it is. No, it's right. My bad. I don't know why I'm second guessing myself. Um, yes, it's right. I was looking over my work. And it's the first function times x squared, which is getting derived. Remember that. And the bottom, which is x squared plus 4x. I'm actually, for this one, I don't think I want to distribute here. It's going to be a very long. And remember, this is calculus, not algebra. So, yes. So if I derive this, I'll bring down the things that I'm not going to derive and bring down the derivative of 2. Remember, any constant derived is going to be 0. 0 minus, remember we had a minus in front of this, x squared plus 4x to the power 2. And the 2 is left alone, it's not getting derived, but this polynomial is, which is 2x plus 4. We can simplify this even further as 0. Basically, remember we had a negative in front. The negative in front of this function here, this um, made it into a positive. So yes, yeah. Actually, I'll leave the negative case. If I put this on the calculator, it would have been yes. But for some scenarios, you're not allowed to have the calculator, so it's good to have them good practice. 4x minus 2. Well, actually, I can just factor out the negative, so I can just left with 4x. I don't know why I'm second guessing myself, but yes, it's 4x plus 8x divided by x squared, x squared plus 4x power 2. That's your derivative. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the